Hello! Welcome to the first handwriting lesson verse on our computer. So we are on page 64 and 65 of our Handwriting Without Tears book. So those came home. So after you watch this video, you can go open up to, not 70, I think I said 64 and 65. It is letter X. I believe this is where you guys left off when I was on maternity leave. So if you did this page already, just do more extra practice for X's on a separate piece of paper. Okay? You do not have to send this in. You do not have to take a picture of it. This is just for your practice. So when you make an X, this is a lowercase x. X says x, x, like fox. Okay? So what you do is you lowercase letters are between those guidelines. So you start at the top, slide down. That's not an X yet, that's just your first step. So going over here, so you start at that top line, slide down, stop. You have to frog jump up, because if you don't lift your pen to frog jump up here, you'll have a line there and that won't make sense. And you slide down the other side. Pretty easy. They do not go above the lines. They do not go below the lines. Okay? So here's a capital X. That's just those go above the lines. But you're doing lowercase ones, so they stay in the line. So trace. Make your own. Slide down. Frog jump up. Slide down. Okay? Trace. Make your own. Slide down, up, slide down. Trace. Slide down, up, slide down. You do not do this. Slide down, over. Slide up. You can't slide up a slide, can you? Slide down, up, slide down. Slide down, up, slide down. Okay, and after you're done doing that page, you can head over to here. They have you practicing some capital ones. So you start up in the sky, slide down, frog jump up, slide down. Do your own, slide down, up, frog jump up, slide down. Do you see how that X mark the spot hits that middle of that line? Look at how they all hit in that middle point. That you should be able to draw a circle, and all of them should be hitting that circle. Okay, you can trace these. You do your own, trace, do your own, trace, do your own, trace, do your own, trace, do your own. Okay, then you get to copy the sentences. It says 6 plus 6 is 12, period. So practice tracing that sentence first. Okay. If you want to do it word by word, do it word by word. So trace 6, then come down here and do a capital S, an I, give it a dot, and work on that X because that's what letter we're on. Slide down, up, slide down. Biggest thing you need to remember is finger spaces. Big giant meatballs. There should be a big meatball there. Okay, but you go up here, make sure you trace. Then finger space. You guys see everything okay in here? P goes below, back up and around. L is above, U is between the lines, S is in between the lines. Okay, then you can finish tracing, write it, and then you do this sentence. Half of 12 is 6, period. And then you write on your own, okay? Then you're done with it. Good job, everybody.